Welcome to our channel of reviews of essential kitchen appliances. Today, we're going to talk about this incredible Café Couture oven with air fry. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this Café Couture oven with air fry in the description and comments attached. The Café Couture oven with air fry is a versatile countertop oven that combines multiple functionalities in a sleek and modern design. With a large 25-liter capacity and 1,800 watts of power, it's perfect for accommodating everything from 12-inch pizzas to 9-inch by 13-inch cake pans and 2-quart casserole dishes. This oven boasts 14 essential cooking modes, including air fry, CrispFinish, bake, broil, roast, toast, bagel, pizza, cookies, proof, dehydrate, slow cook, reheat, and keep warm. These modes allow you to flawlessly prepare any recipe, whether it's a snack for kids or hors d'oeuvres for a dinner party. The inclusion of Wi-Fi connectivity means you can control your oven through Echo or Google Home devices, making cooking simpler and smarter. Additionally, the Smart HQ app lets you start and program cooking modes remotely and even download updates. The intuitive controls and bright LCD display make programming the cook mode, time, and temperature easy. The CrispFinish feature allows you to melt, caramelize, brown, or crisp your dishes perfectly. With 6 quartz heating elements, this oven ensures rapid preheating, even cooking, and a wide temperature range from 80 degrees Fahrenheit for proofing to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for air frying. Included accessories are a heavy-duty oven rack, a 12-inch enamel non-stick pizza pan, an enamel non-stick coated baking pan, a wire mesh air fry / dehydrate basket, and a removable crumb tray. Positive points: large capacity suitable for family meals and parties. Multiple cooking modes provide versatility. Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control enhance convenience. CrispFinish feature adds perfect finishing touches to dishes. 6 quartz heating elements ensure rapid and even cooking. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe accessories. Negative points: the oven is relatively heavy at 28 pounds. The interior height is limited to approximately 3 inches, which may restrict the size of some dishes. The Café Couture oven with air fry is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen with a versatile and high-performing appliance. Its large capacity and multiple cooking modes make it suitable for various cooking needs, from simple snacks to elaborate meals. The smart features, such as Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control, offer added convenience for modern kitchens. However, consider its weight and interior height limitations before purchasing. If these factors are not an issue for you, this oven could be a valuable addition to your kitchen appliances. Let me know what you think of this Café Couture oven with air fry in the comments, and if you have any questions, let me know so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.